First, we're going to observe the general anatomy of some flatworms. So if we look here, we can see one little guy crawling along the side of our petri dish. Actually, there's two of them right there on top of each other. The little faint spots, those are eye spots or photoreceptors. So this would be our head. We see the length of his body. Then the tip, which is lacking the photoreceptors, will be the tail. We're observing the dorsal or the back side of the flatworm. Next, we're going to be recording the planarian's response to water currents. I'm going to be using a pipette filled with some tap water to gently squirt our little planarian. Notice how he sort of moves away from the direction of the current. And I'll try again with a different one. Next, we're going to look at the flatworm's response to mechanoreception or touch. We'll test this one two ways. First, we're going to gently touch them with the tip of a paintbrush. Then some small rocks will be added to the habitat, and we'll see what the planarian does when it encounters the obstacle. So first with the paintbrush, I'm going to gently touch the side of our planarian. It sort of stops moving and then contracts. I want to try again with a different one. Now we'll add some rocks to their general path of movement. See what this guy over here does. Again, we see the planarian moving around the obstacle. For the last experiment, we're going to look at their response to light, also called photoreception. For this experiment, half the dish I'm going to cover with half of the petri dish I'm covering with a black sheet of paper. The other side, I'm using a flashlight to expose our planarians to a brighter intensity of light. you've seen that all but a couple have moved over to the dark side. So now I want to switch the location of our construction paper. Again, we have observed that at least most of them have moved away from the light towards the dark side.